Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert connected line shape on your PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element and click on this comment option, this menu bar, and click on this down arrow shape, and here you will find this connected lines option. Click here and click and select your connected line, this one, here also, and this one. And see this connected line now created, and here you can see this connected line transparency, this border color, this line thickness. You can increase decrease border thickness, you can add or say thin color, and so on. Again I will add new connected line. And see this, I'll make it red color. Yeah, this is in this way you can add connected line on your PDF file. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.